Tezos' way of brilliance was difficult by any means. Be that as it may, notwithstanding all deterrents, the cryptographic money was picking up speed quickly. 2 years after the send-off, XTZ has been recorded on more than 10 monster crypto trades, including Changelly. We will inspect XTZ intently and furnish you with a complete cost forecast about Tezos' cryptographic money. How does Tezos function? Tezos is a blockchain network for sending off decentralized applications and executing savvy contracts. Admittance to the program code is open, and every client can take part in the framework modernization. The multi-stage engineering of Tezos permits clients to refresh the organization without hard forks. The framework is separated into 3 modules: the organization module, the exchange module, the agreement module. The code of the blockchain environment is written in the OCaml scripting language, which makes it conceivable to freely refresh every one of the convention levels. In 2014, Arthur and Caitlin Breitman had a plan to make Tezos. To send off their venture, they held an exceptionally effective ICO in 2017. The couple figured out how to raise $232 million, making it the biggest ICO around then. Be that as it may, because of inner issues, the execution of the venture was deferred. In this way, the coin never entered the trades at the delegated time. This caused alarm among the financial backers, and a few court procedures were started against the undertaking originators. In 2018, a beta rendition of the task was delivered, however it didn't figure out how to save what is going on. Bamboozled financial backers hurried to sell their tokens for an amazing bargain, trying to return ventures, which caused the breakdown of the swapping scale. The engineers needed to make up for lost time rapidly. Network tests started in pre-fall 2018, and the coin was completely sent off in the fall. Until this point in time, Tezos is a cryptographic money that dispenses with key boundaries to blockchain reception by the world local area. Among its highlights, coming up next are important: intelligent contract security. At the institutional level, brilliant agreements are written in the Michelson-arranged programming language, which ensures total security of exchanges. Possibility of a drawn-out overhaul. Tezos' particular engineering and formal update instrument permit the organization to offer and execute new mechanical advancements flawlessly as they become accessible. Joined with the Tezos invoicing instrument, these viewpoints empower the convention to tackle the fanning issue without forfeiting the local area agreement. Open support. Rather than diggers, the XTZ digital currency is acquired by cooks. The fluid proof-of-stake agreement calculation permits each coin proprietor to take part in baking. This is the very thing the Tezos network calls handling exchanges and producing new blocks. To prepare, you want to introduce a full hub on your PC and present an application on the authority site. Dough punchers are compensated with XTZ coins. In the event of an endeavor to swindle the framework, sanctions up to store seizure are forced. Tezos market value forecasts. XTZ is a promising computerized cash whose cost has an incredible potential to build because of normal convention refreshes, environment development, and the obtaining of large accomplices. With the great condition of the crypto market and the further improvement of the task, most crypto experts expect that in 2022, the XTZ coin might be exchanged at a normal of $3 minus $4.30. By 2023, the XTZ cost is anticipated to arrive at the degree of $5 minus $6.50, and by 2025, $7 minus $8.60. Tezos Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Tezos costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Tezos will be $1.14. The greatest level that the XTZ cost can reach is $1.41. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.18. XTZ value conjecture for January 2023. In light of the value vacillations of Tezos toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical XTZ pace of 87 cents in January 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 78 cents and at 89 cents. Separately, February 2023, Tezos value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the XTZ cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 87 cents, while the greatest could reach 93 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Tezos may be around 90 cents. XTZ value conjecture for WALC 2023. Crypto experts have really taken a look at the value variances of Tezos in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal XTZ rate they foresee may be around 93 cents in WALC 2023. It can drop to 89 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be 97 cents. April 2023, Tezos value gauge. Around mid-year 2022, the XTZ cost will be exchanged at 95 cents overall. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Tezos worth to $1.02. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 91 cents in April 2023. XTZ value figure for May 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Tezos costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, 97 cents. The most reduced and top XTZ rates may be 92 cents and $1.07. June 2023, Tezos value estimate. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the XTZ cost will be around 99 cents. In June 2023, the Tezos cost might drop to at least 95 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be $1.11 in June 2023. XTZ value figure for July 2023. Having examined Tezos costs, digital money specialists expect that the XTZ rate could arrive at a limit of $1.15 in July 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to 97 cents. For July 2023, the gauge normal of Tezos is almost $1.01. August 2023, Tezos value figure. Around mid-2022, the Tezos cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $1.06. Crypto examiners expect that in August 2023, the XTZ cost could change somewhere in the range of $1.02 and $1.20. XTZ value gauge for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Tezos worth won't dip under at least $1.03. The greatest pinnacle expected for this present month is $1.24. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $1.08. October 2023, Tezos value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists have painstakingly examined the scope of XTZ costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their estimate is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Tezos will be around $1.29, with a chance of dropping to at least $1.08. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $1.12. XTZ value figure for November 2023. In light of the value variances of Tezos toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical XTZ pace of $1.15 in November 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $1.11 and at $1.35. Separately, December 2023, Tezos value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the XTZ cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $1.14, while the greatest could reach $1.41 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Tezos may be around $1.18. Tezos value forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of Tezos in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Tezos will be around $1.67. The greatest expected XTZ cost might be around $2.04. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $1.73.